Bingham Custom Meats. And I just got out of there for $7. I got like 7 pounds of liver and some suet to make some true tallow. All right, what's up, y'all? So I'm going to show you how I render tallow from suet. Now what you're going to need for this is a beat up slow cooker, cutting board, and a chef knife, food processor, and then finally your big chunk of suet. Now suet is the fat around the kidneys and the loin of an animal, and here it's beef suet, and it's a different kind of fat. It's not like just regular beef fat. So tallow technically is beef fat that comes from suet, and it's a lot harder, and it produces a much thicker, more solid fat. And so what we're going to do here is we're just going to cut it up into small pieces. It's the skin, huh? Interesting. We want this small enough that we can throw it into the food processor. I'm just going to turn the power on, and I'm just going to put this on low. I just wanted to break it up in little chunks, really. It's like crumbled fat. Now I have this huge slow cooker full of crumbled fat. I'm telling you, this fat is bizarre feeling, but it's the best fat there is. Now what's super interesting about this stuff, so you crumble it up so that it has a chance to, there's a more surface area and it can melt a lot easier. And so we're going to heat it up, and as it melts, I'm going to ladle it into some containers, I think. What's interesting about it is the texture. It's like powder. It's literally like snow, except it's not cold. I'm so excited to get my own tallow from this stuff. All right, look at that slow cooker full of crumbled suet. We're just going to put a lid on it, and then we're going to turn it on low, and we're going to let that go.
Now what I feel like has been working for me has been this kind of double filtration process. So I'll put, I got this metal mesh filter here, fine mesh. And then I'm filtering out the freaking tallow. That golden goodness. And I'll filter it one more time, just so I don't get any of those chunks in it. Look at that golden goodness. Then I'm going to put these back into the slow cooker and cook them to a crisp, and probably use them like dog treats or something.